Shape Tape concealer underneath my eyes and just different places I want to highlight my face. I'm going to go ahead and blend this in. And then whatever's left over on this beauty blender, I like to use it on my chin and forehead, just so we brighten it without it being too much. Laura Mercier setting powder. Go ahead and put a little bit on the back. I'm running out. Wow. I'm gonna pause some for my mom. So just grabbing some of this Laura Mercier powder. Pick it up with a beauty blender. And kind of set those under eyes and bake it a little bit.
Why does it have to be this way?
And while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So what I use is this Anastacia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. And then I have the brush with it as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brush off whatever foundation or concealer, whatever got in these. Pick up a little bit on my brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just line the bottom of my eyebrows. I just want to kind of follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, just outlining the tail. I'm gonna go ahead and do the top right up here. So I'm just gonna move on to concealing my eyebrows. I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and this is like a fake naked eyeshadow brush.
Do you wanna leave or stay? Why does it have to be?
Kind of always wanted to try this YouTube thing out, but was kind of just like self-conscious. You know, I didn't, like right now, I don't want anyone hearing me do this video. I kind of just felt like it, but don't want anyone to know. I didn't really empty out the cap, so whatever was left in there, I'm just gonna dip my brush in and then set the rest of my face. So the tip of my nose, my forehead, temples. Cool. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Ooh, I'm using so much storage on my phone right now. Okay. I don't know. I'm doing this like really randomly, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wing it. So I have this cute AF Colourpop palette. I think it's the Yes palette. So I'm gonna take this color and this color right over here, and I'm gonna use these two as my transition shades. So I go like this, tap the excess off, and I'm just going to be blending this into my crease, like so. And I like to use this to shape my eye. So after I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up, I don't know what kind of look I want to go for. So I'm gonna pick up this yellow shade. On a whim here, I'm gonna put this into kind of where I put that transition shade. But I'm kind of just messily applying this into that transition shade. Maybe mix the color a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color right over here. It's like an orangey gold. Looks like this. It's a really nice color, and I like to get it on my ring finger. I feel like with these shimmery colors, or with any shimmery color, I like using my finger the most. I feel like it picks up the product the most, and it's easier. I feel like my finger fits like perfectly on this area of my eye, so I don't know, I just like it. So just applying that in that inner corner / the center. Stopping over here and doing this. I'm so sorry if that noise is like bothering you, but I try to blow my nose and it's just not leaving. So I'm gonna pick it up also a little bit on my pinky and just kind of apply it to the inner corner. I'm still gonna add a different inner corner highlight, but I kind of want this behind it. Oh, I didn't even tell you the brush I used, but I use this Morphe G17 brush. It's just like this, 30 savvy, but it's like just this fluffy brush that's really good for anything. I love it. And I'm gonna pick up this the color with the most fallout, this orangey color right over here, and I have to like lightly, like, oh my gosh, you see that? All that shit all up in here. I kind of have to carefully apply this to the outer corner, and I like flatten it and then shape it into my crease. So I have more control over it, and it kind of like, I don't know if you can see, it gets into the shape and goes perfectly into my eyelid. Or perfectly in my crease. So, doing the same thing that I did on the other side, kind of, I guess in the same, following the shape that I made with those two transitions at the beginning. And pulling it out and into the crease. I want to make the center a little stronger. So I'm gonna grab this short little shader brush and that gold shade. Actually, yeah, no, same gold shade from earlier, or orangey shade, and just pack it in the center. Sorry if my nose is a little red. I just tried to blow my nose a little bit, and now I lost my brush. Oh, found it. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna continue doing that on the other side. So making more, kind of faking a cut crease and just dragging that color down. I want more of like yellowy, glowy, orangey, sunsetty effect in the center. Cool. So using still this very short shader brush, I'm gonna grab some of that orangey color, blend that on my lower lash line. Grab a Q-tip and just clean these. So we're gonna use this red eyeliner. It is NYX Vivid Brights and Vivid Fire. So I'm just gonna be using this and creating a little wing. I know this is like a super randomly colorful eye look, but let's say it's like a summer-esque pop of color, sunset orange thing. I don't know. So I just created a line like that. Just going to bring that line all the way over here. Just like that. I'm just gonna try and do that on the other side. Let's move on to contouring and finally figuring out what this is. So this is Sleek Makeup Ultimate Contouring Palette. So I have this Eco Tools brush. It came in like so I think it was like a contouring kit. And dip it into these two. Tap off the excess. Oh, fudge. Okay. And I kind of like, with that orangey shade, I use it and I kind of blend it as a blush. So what I'm gonna do now is I kind of squish this brush so that it's like this. Pick up the product by dipping the tip in, just like this. And I kind of put it in right over here to contour my nose. Then I get a little bit on the tip, and then I do it right over here, and a little bit down the sides. I want the tip of my nose to be like right here instead of like kind of down here, so I'm just gonna cut that, fake it. I just keep blending that. So blush. I use this Tarte 12-hour blush and party. I'm just gonna dip in this e.l.f. blush brush, tap off, and then I do this weird like kind of face, or just smile I guess. So then I just blend everything out with this blush. This is a flat top brush, also from like, oh, it was a Coastal Scents like rollout palette. Alright, now I'm gonna highlight. This is my favorite highlight. It's the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Like, it's so messed up, and so it like hit pans so hard. So I use my fingers for this. I'll get some on my pinky, and
the best I can. I know it might be hard for you to see. Baby, you're the other half of me. As long as we got time to live.
so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes with this Japanesque eyelash curler, and then this Colossal waterproof mascara.
But there's something about our love I still believe.
And that's me with my lashes done, top lashes. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes a little. So I grab a Q-tip, just like this, lick my lips a little bit, and then clean off all the foundation.
Girl, you know, crazy. But you're my baby.
I use this Colourpop lip gloss called Contessa.
Why does it have to be this way?
Forget it, let's add lashes.
I'm too smooth. I'm not in the mood.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching my first makeup tutorial. Hopefully I'll improve as time goes on. If you enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe if you'd like. I'm excited for new, better quality content that I'm working on right now. Yeah.
I'm too smooth.